welcome back. This week, I watched the Fallout TV show. It was amazing. So they got me in the mood to draw some Fallout fan art. I did make a big mistake in recording the painting, though. I left out quite a bit of it. I had stopped the recording to take a break, and when I came back, I did not start the recording again. So there's a big jump, and you miss the start of the Vault Dweller drawing. Also, I didn't really like how the face was turning out on the Vault Dweller, so I put an NCR Ranger helmet on them. Sometimes when I'm just drawing stuff and I'm not using a reference for the face, it can get a bit hairy. No mistakes.